Launching the app for the first time. The onboarding screen shall introduce you to key features, create lessons, review lessons, create playlists. If you want to start with samples, it would be a good start. You will have a wonderful experience and easily delete samples later. First, I want to show you how to create lessons. Step 1. Tap on icon on the upper right. Step 2. Enter lesson name. You also enter another spelling of the lesson name. For example, in Japanese kanji make the same sound meaning as hiragana, but different writing. Step 3. Select the language that corresponds to the name you entered. Step 4. Enter description. Step 5. Select the language that corresponds to description you entered. Step 6. Tap on icon on the upper right to create lesson. Second, tap on a lesson to go to vocabulary screen. Step 1. Tap on icon on the upper right to create vocabulary. Step 2. Enter vocabulary or phrase. You also enter another spelling of the vocabulary or phrase. Step 3. Enter example of usage. Step 4. Select the language that corresponds to description you entered. Step 5. Enter description. Step 6. Enter example of usage description. Step 7. Select the language that corresponds to description you entered. Step 8. Tap on icon on the upper right to create vocabulary or phrase. Switch to the Review tab. Then you can review vocabulary. Tap on the icon on the upper left to adjust methods. Here we have some adjustments. Types of quizzes. You can mix multiple choice writing answer and list and answer together. Types of questions. When you input vocabulary, if you input an example of usage, you can tick this option. Levels of fluency. When you review vocabulary, you can mark it fluency. If you review lesson again, you can uncheck this option so fluency vocabulary will not appear in questions. Close settings. After selecting lessons you want to review, the icon on the upper right will enable. Tap on the icon to review. If you feel you become fluent in this vocabulary, you can mark it fluency. If you uncheck fluent option, fluent vocabulary will not appear in questions. Notice it was 5 questions. After uncheck, it is 4 questions. You have review times per day. You can watch advertisement to get a free turn or upgrade to unlock the limit. After you've upgraded, advertisement also removed. An amazing feature of this app is you can convert vocabulary conversation sentences to bilingual playlists. Let me show you how to do it. First, tap on the icon on the upper right. Then tap on the icon on the upper right again. Select lessons you want to convert to playlist. After that, choose vocabulary. Next, press Create button, enter playlist name. Press Save button. It will take a few minutes to generate playlist depending on how much vocabulary you choose. Tap on a playlist to play. You also tap on Music Player to see details. Audio files depend on vocabulary sound settings. Switch to Settings tab. Tap on Vocabulary Phrase Sound. Choose Vocabulary and Description. When you generate the playlist again, you see sums are reduced because it excludes example of usage sounds. You can also change voice of languages. Step 1. Open phone settings. Step 2. Find accessibility. Step 3. Tap on text-to-speech output. Step 4. Tap on text-to-speech engine. Step 5. Tap on install voice data. Then choose languages you want to install. When you generate the playlist again, you will hear other voice. When you reinstall ACK, you can restore purchase. Switch to Settings tab. Tap on Upgrade Pro version or Restore Purchase. When dialog appear, press on Restore Purchase button. Wait for a few seconds. Here we go, the app has upgraded again. Thank you for watching.